Hi everyone, welcome to Aravilam. I'm Sabruddin. So in this video, we are going to learn pivot table. Report layouts in pivot table. Now I'm going to create one pivot table like this. As a first level, I want region, and as a second level, I want rep. When I place two fields in rows, it is showing the table like this. One heading and we have a subheading. Here we have option to collapse it and expand it. Okay, again, if I am placing one more column here, it shows table like this. Okay, but the table is not readable. All these options are showing in one column. Okay, so this is the default layout. It doesn't matter how many fields you are placing in the rows. All these fields are splitted and it will show only in the single column called compact form or compact layout. This is the default layout in pivot table. And here, right, this table is not readable. I want to split this. For example, I want region in one column, I want rep in one column, item in another column. Now go to the design menu. The third option is report layout. So here we have to modify the layout. Okay, so here I'm going to select the second option, that is outline form. So when I select outline form, as you can see, it is splitting your data like this. Region in one column, rep in another column, item in another column, and grand totals one column. Okay, so this is called outline form, and I'm going to take a copy of this and I'm going to insert one more form called tabular form. In tabular form, as you can see here, we have a space for a subtotal. Here, go to this design, go to the report layout and click on tabular form. It shows the data on the top itself. Okay, and here as you can see, when I select tabular form, my subtotal is showing it at the bottom of the group. There is no option for showing subtotal on the top in the tabular form. But whereas in compact form and outline form, you can show subtotal both at top as well as at the bottom. So this is tabular form. Here we all know that, so these are central data. So these are bruise data, these are clean data. So here, as you can see, we have some empty space. So instead of empty space, if you want to fill this data with the central, go to the design menu, go to the report layout. Here we have option called repeat all item labels. Click on it. So Excel will automatically repeat the same items here. So if you remove the subtotal, your pivot table will look like this. Okay, so here as you can see, for the same report, we have different layouts here. So this is how we will be changing the appearance of our pivot table.